Anyways, it was just shit like that, and frankly, like, I'm getting started.
Oh, I thought they were really good.
I did take Mr. Buddy out this morning.
Thank you.
Like, I hope you did. Yeah, me too.
Huh.
And actually, yeah, no, it was 1,000. It would have been more for one of the games.
I was so scared.
Sorry, I kind of.
We're about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. Hey y'all, so I'm sitting in one of our shared spaces in my apartment, and I'm just doing some YouTube work and just hanging out for a little bit. I'm currently watching Remy. I want to do some more like recon, secret agent, kill shot. I'm just doing some work on like seeing what other YouTubers that I enjoy do with their content. How do they split up a day? A lot of people do weekly vlogs. Obviously I do daily vlogs, so it's a little bit different, but for today, I'm making dinner. It's really simple. I'm just making dinner and I'm packing for my trip to Boston for Thanksgiving. So I'm just having a beer, Lagunitas, which is one of my favorite beers. And then obviously you guys know one of my favorite wines. My favorite wine to drink is a red wine, and it's 19 Crimes. It's one of my favorite. And my favorite white wine is Kung Fu Girl. That's like what I get every single time. Anyway, not the point. So I'm just chilling here, and then I'm gonna go back up, cook some tacos, take the dog out, pack, and then get ready to go. So I'm literally leaving right after work. I'm going to work, and as soon as work is over, I'm gonna go to take the bus into Boston. I'll take you guys on that journey with me, obviously, because it's a daily vlog. So I'll update you guys when I'm cooking. And I've already done the pico de gallo and the guacamole for the tacos. And then I think Ryan's actually gonna cook the actual taco meat. All right, so I'll see you then. Okay, so I was making pico de gallo and guacamole, and obviously that had jalapenos. I did not wash my hands, and I've been touching my head and all that stuff, and I'm hot. Like, I don't know if that's from the jalapeno. I am hot. Like, my skin's starting to burn. I'm like itchy a little bit. Do you think I'm allergic? I feel like my hands are a little splotchy, and maybe swelling a little bit, and they're itchy. Like, oh. This is the ground turkey, and then we have the guacamole, the pico de gallo. We also have like green salsa and sour cream. And then also there's some chicken that we have left over that I think I'm gonna cut up. Where's the chicken that I saved? So this, I'm gonna warm this up, and then this will also be one of the taco seasonings or fillings.